Welcome! This is Google Pixel Watch 3, and today I will unbox the smartwatch and we'll together see what accessories and items it comes with. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's see what interesting stuff we can see written on the packaging itself, and from what I can tell, it does not tell us much. Just tells us the model, the size of the display, as well as, well, what version it is, like Wi-Fi or LTE version. Also we have those signs here that just tell us generic and pretty much useless for the majority of us information, so we can skip that. Anyway, let's actually start unboxing the smartwatch and take it out and see what it looks like, of course. So let's see. Finally, we can open the watches and take them out of the box, which comes in two pieces. So one part you take out from the front and another one from the rear or from the back. Just hold and pull this little arrow. So this is the smartwatch itself, as far as I can tell. So let's begin by unboxing it first. Yep, so here's the display and the charging wire. As you can tell, so it's Type-C to some magnetic output that you put your Google Watch onto, and it clips right in. So as far as I can see, it is pretty reliable. The magnetic connection is strong, or at least strong enough for it not to fall from the charger. Now we also have the straps or the belts included, as well as very thick Google manual or paperwork, as you can tell. Well, not the manual itself is not thick at all. It is pretty thin, if you ask me. It tells you how to initialize the watch, how to strap on the, well, belts or the straps. And this thick book is, well, some safety, warranty and regulation guide. So, yep, not that interesting to us. So now we get the belt number 1 from here, as well as we should get the strap number 2. Yep, here it is. So I guess let me put them on, or actually we get 2. So if you have a bigger hand, or the bigger wrist should I say, you'll probably want to use this one, but if you have a regular one, I guess the smaller strap will do the trick. So once again, let's quickly mount those straps and see what this watch looks like on the hand, and, well, just generally we'll see this watch in its glory, should I say, and how it should look like on the hand or on the wrist. So that's one belt installed. Going with another one. So as you can clearly tell, I'm not that experienced with this kind of mount, so it takes me a bit more time than it should to mount this or to strap this belt on, but I guess I'll get a hang of it and eventually, or so I hope, at the very least, since I do not want to, well, try doing that for hours here. So give me a sec here, I'll quickly do that off the camera. Yep, so finally I've slided it in. That's what those Pixel Watch 3 look like. And that's how you'll see them on your wrist should you use those included straps here. So once again, let me quickly put it on so I can show you. I guess this belt is a bit small for my wrist, but that's fine. It's not too small, so I'll be able to wear it eventually. Yep, so here it is. That's what they look like on a wrist. And well, as far as the unboxing and the first preview goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.